Temperance and the Androgynous Insects. Welcome back to the Metamorphosis Tarot Project, where we blend bug science and art. Temperance is a card about balance. Balance as a theme shows up a lot in the tarot, but there are two cards in particular that really deeply look at balance. Temperance, one of the major arcana cards, which I'm painting here, and the Two of Pentacles. To me, the Two of Pentacles is about balancing external forces, too much on your plate kind of vibes, whereas Temperance is about internal balance, integrating peace, holding space for opposing and complex feelings or ideas, managing the whirlwind outside but remaining grounded and calm inside. Oftentimes, Temperance is represented by an androgynous angel pouring from one cup to another, representing equality, harmony, and balance. An angel literally is connecting the heaven and the earth. All throughout the Temperance cards, we see equals and opposites brought into harmony. To represent this theme, and really drawing from the androgyny represented in so many interpretations of the Temperance card in tarot, I chose a gynandromorph insect. Here is a bilateral gynandromorph Malaysian jungle nymph leaf insect, which was a mouthful to say. What that means is that half the insect is functionally and takes on the physical characteristics of a male, and the other half of the female. As a side note, just for the dynamicism of the card, I took some artistic liberty. Males of this species have fully developed wings and can fly, and females have small reduced wings. Typically in gynandromorphy, we'll see the wings on both halves of the insect to be reduced, but I decided to exaggerate the male and female features to make the difference more apparent to a general audience probably not familiar with insects or gynandromorphy. To further play on this, I brought over the coloration themes from my Empress card, the blue background, and the Emperor card, the red background, and blended them together. These insects are infertile. This happens very early into embryonic development when there's a mutation or an error in copying the cells. As many animals have bilateral symmetry, that is to say, we have two equal sides, like humans, this copy error separates down the midline of the insect, causing the half and half split of male and female. There are also mosaic gynandromorphs. This is most commonly seen in butterflies, where the mutation happens later in development and patches of the insect take on the coloration of the different sex. While gynandromorphy is most often seen in butterflies, I made probably a biasy in collection, but I digress. In my tarot deck, I have a lot of butterflies represented, and I wanted to pick a different arthropod to maintain the diversity within the deck, and so, like balance. In the spirit of the gynandromorph leaf insect, here's a question for the naturalist. How does unbalance manifest in your body, and how do you reground yourself?